Hey guys, so welcome. This is how to send a disappearing photo on WhatsApp. So guys, if you ever need to send disappearing photo, first open up the WhatsApp application into your device. From here, just simply go to the message inbox that you want to send the disappearing photo with on the WhatsApp application. Now, for example, I'm gonna send a picture over here and select the camera icon on the right side of the screen. And after that, you could just simply take a photo. And now from here, as you can see down below, we have an option to add a caption. And when you go to the right side, you should be able to see the number one. So when you tap on that, as you can see, you should be able to send the photo, but the person can only view it once. So tap on OK and select send. And from here, guys, you should be able to send a disappearing photo. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.